For today's project, I will be making this cute beehive costume. You will need pool noodles, clear tape, brown burlap, a hot glue gun, black and yellow pom-poms, scissors, and yellow felt. Wrap a pool noodle around your child under the arms to determine the length. The pieces will get larger as they go down the body. I use clear tape to secure the ends. I will suggest that when choosing a colored pool noodle, black or yellow may work better than orange. You could also use purple. Wrap the burlap around each circle and attach it around the noodle with glue. Make sure that the seams are on the inside. Continue making circles, increasing in size. If you are making this costume for a larger child or adult, you may have to connect two noodles together. Stack and attach the circles using hot glue. Glue on yellow felt to give the appearance of drips of honey. I use black and yellow pom-poms to make the bees. Glue 2 to 3 pom-poms in a row and attach the bees to the beehive. Add a solid colored shirt and your costume is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.